Hello and a very warm welcome to this video recording. We commenced trading 8 years ago now, specialising in the provision of a self-administered home visit laser teeth whitening service, which is still available to purchase on our main website at 20minuteteethwhitening.com. However, since last year we've been asked repeatedly if we could also supply an alternative in the form of an affordable but effective home teeth whitening kit. Now, because of the increasing number of such inquiries we've had, we decided there was sufficient interest to create such a kit. However, we needed to be certain that any new product we introduced was at the very least one of the best of its kind, ideally the best of its kind. We didn't see any point in creating something everyone else was offering already on eBay, Amazon or elsewhere. Our kits would have to be different and offer value for money. Now, as wholesalers of teeth whitening gels, which is another area of our business, we believe we have succeeded in providing value and being different with our kits. We decided to provide the exact same whitening gel at the same strength that your dentist uses, and for maximum value we also decided to provide a massive 120 millilitres of gel in the form of 12 10 milliliter syringes. Now, this is up to 13 times more whitening gel than your dentist would normally give you. But why do we do that? Well, that quantity of gel will save you a lot of time and money by cutting down substantially on trips to your dentist to have to pay for new whitening gel or purchase other consumables that you were previously supplied. What we're talking about here is purely about saving money and not paying far more than you need to. But back to our kits. As well as 120 millilitres of gel, we also include a mini LED laser light, 2 customizable teeth whitening mouth trays, and 2 3 milliliter syringes of desensitizing gel. These items are all included in our Pro Max Ultimate Teeth Whitening Kit. Dentists normally charge between £150 to £375, sometimes more, but what they give you is the customizable mouth trays and just a fraction of the gel that we provide. Our whitening gel is used around the world and has USA and European safety certification. Terms of supply are provided on our website, as indeed are the prices for all of our 4 teeth whitening kits. Thanks for watching.